today is the last day, January 1st, 2018 officially. So right now it's 12 o'clock noon. I just got here, so Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year to everyone. So looks like less people watching the show as well. So, but still have people at the shop. They're shopping around still.
我哋咯，佢真係上好，佢哋我買我四十號，咁你紅到佢啊，係先六百六幾時得嘅？你不錯。
How do you guys feel? It's the last day.
Feel good.
Feel good?
我至少多天嘛。
Man, 你緊張啦，緊 miss.
Still want to make it longer. Still come. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You guys still want to come, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your name?
My name is Abby. Abby.
Abby 啦，佢成一張。紅白啦 and then you go. Cindy， 成一次。紅白係啦。Oh, okay. Wow, so you get all sisters? Or? Cousins. Oh, okay. So you're all in college, high school?
We're all in college.
Really? You guys look so young. What's going on?
Thank you.
Yeah, so freshman or sophomore?
No, I'm actually a senior.
In college?
Graduate.
Wow. How about you guys?
I'm a sophomore.
Wow.
I'm the oldest out of the group.
So where are you guys studying?
I'm studying Saturday.
Social worker?
Nursing.
Nursing?
Liberal studies.
Liberal and then...
Chemistry.
Wow. So what is liberal?
Liberal studies?
Yeah.
Oh, it's teaching. So,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Got one cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to be pharmacist. Wow. Nursing?
Social work.
Teacher or counselor?
Not really a counselor, but there's many ways for social work. You can do a lot of jobs. Just like kind of helping with like maybe the low income families, or just kids or families.
Oh, okay. So how do you guys enjoy the New Year so far?
Thank you.
Well, we just got here. We're still looking around.
How about what, first day or you guys come before?
This is our third day. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you come like Friday, Saturday, Sunday?
Saturday, Sunday.
So last day, let's go ahead and go huh?
I got a degree in corrections. My first day. Where do you go to school? Oh my God.
You both go to Fresno State.
Wow.
How do you guys not see each other in there? I don't know my way around here. I have not seen a single grass over here or a tree. Like everything's like a desert.
It is.
Hey guys. All right, last day. How do you guys feel?
We feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can't wait to get it over with or
No,
too
I
short?
to enjoy it. Yeah. Not to get it over with, just to enjoy it.
Too short, right?
Wow.
Yeah, right. Oh, well, I guess you have to petition for a longer New Year, right? Nếu mà hai cái lớn quan điểm chưa?
Hai cái lối mà kia.
Yeah. 你妈给我个拉多给呀？I don't know.
知道跟着拿，知道跟着不拿。
It's okay. It's not same clothes. It's okay. We can tell. Hey, it's okay. Techuka. Techuka. That's natural perfume, right? We all need that sometimes. So, tell me you guys' name again. What check us? Xiong, right? And then? Xiong too? Oh. Cousins? Friends? College? Almost done? Really? Wow, long way to go. Có cỡ chị?
Liberal studies. I'm majoring in liberal studies.
Oh, so that means teaching?
Teacher, not correct.
Teacher. How about you?
Biology.
Doctor wanna be?
Biology.
Okay, so MD wanna be?
I'm thinking of going to marine biology.
Wow, what is that? Like go underwater?
Yeah, learning about
Oh, like fish and
like corals and reefs. Yeah.
Oh.
Just the underworld sea life.
Wow.
Underwater.
Under the sea. like the Little Mermaid under the sea, right? The Nemo, Finding Nemo, I should say. Oh, so have you have any volunteer under the sea thing? And is it you like it?
Oh no, I haven't.
You haven't tried? They have aquarium here, right?
Which young Fresno? Which young Fresno?
My bad, I thought you got in Fresno. Okay, then you have to talk. Oh. Okay, but next you more aquarium, huh? Really? I guess you guys have to go to San Diego. Yeah, to see. You know, if you're into that, you might have to go to volunteer at is it zoo? No, not zoo. Zoo is not under, right? So
Zoo's more like zoologist.
yeah, so maybe go to SeaWorld.
SeaWorld?
Right, she can go SeaWorld volunteer.
No, besides SeaWorld, because
Really?
I mean, like,
I didn't know that.
yeah, I thought that you got close because there's documentaries about like this thing.
Oh. I didn't know. I haven't been to SeaWorld since like so many years ago.
It's okay.
Oh, okay. So how many years do you guys have left? 4, 3?
For college?
Yeah, of college.
We still can got that semester.
Do you guys have any what is your New Year resolution?
New Year resolution? Go talk, what I know, and just finish and do good, do well in school.
All right. How about you? Same thing?
Yeah, the same thing. Just get more fit.
Oh, all right. Hey, I think I met you guys before. You guys from Colorado, right?
I'm not from.
Oh, she is, right? Yeah, I think I remember you guys from last year or something, right?
I wasn't with her last year.
Oh, you wasn't here?
No, it wasn't her.
Oh, so it was you and other friends.
My other neighbors.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because I thought I recognized you guys. So, last day, what's going on? What do you guys feel? How do you feel? Nuka, Salija. Desho.
I'm not good at speaking.
Hello, Mika, it's fine.
It's the last day. It's actually pretty. It's like not exhausting, but then it's actually fun. I'm kind of sad that it's ending.
Wow. Yeah. So you're saying like from day 1 to yesterday is not fun. Only today is fun.
It is because we know that we're not going to get it until the end of this year.
Wow, that is so. What do you call? It's weird,
It makes
right?
us anticipate for it.
Yeah, right.
When is the next year coming? When is it coming?
Man, I bet you guys talk to a lot of guys, huh?
No, not so much.
Not so much. Man, Shirley, girl, I bet all guys want to talk to you. Có chi bao chi là chi trọ.
5'8".
Chi gì đó?
Yeah.
Wow. More hard to share than Nuka, right? Yeah. So nấy tua thầu tới tua, nấy tinh nấy tua sao tổ tiền à? Nâng cái chuyện là. Did we met before? I think we might have, huh? Which don't you know? You sure? I thought we did. Tao có đặc cũng sao? Nào, có hồi chả? Án nào á? Sẵn ly, right? Thọ đó? Man, I guess I was wrong.
And something just like I say, they sound.
Yeah, so go, you 21, maybe? Nâng của ít chồng? Oh, wow, you look really young. Vậy tụi bé có tụi sister, có tụi friends à? Tụi friend á? Vậy nên ở lần tua Minnesota đó? She younger than you or about the same? Older than you?
Yeah.
Wow, okay. Okay. So bé chỉ có học chế rồi à? Thì họ tin non đó, bé non là. Okay. So tuần này tôi bé non lên chả? Minus? Or is it 30 degrees? Vậy chỉ tông một snow vậy nè. Mua theo á. So.
Em nào đó? Có nhó Fresno là nhó thứ to.
Nhó
Minnesota. Trong sáng tập bóng có sợi mốt chưa? Nhó Saint Paul đó là nhó Minneapolis.
Hey, what's up? How's it going? All right, last day. How do you feel?
New Year feels good.
Good?
Yeah.
You're not gonna miss it or you miss? Could be you miss already, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna miss it. It's gonna be one more year until I get to come again.
You're gonna wait one more year, right? And that's a long way, right?
Yeah.
Are you in Fresno too? So go hold it down. Oh, he asked for both of us, so that's cool. No, go. You can talk. Don't worry about me.
You're the only one that's with that gesture. I can pick it
All right, last day. What's your opinion?
My last day?
Last day of New Year today. Salija.
I'm glad it's over.
What? Oh man. Really?
Yeah, these functions,
So you guys coming pretty much every day then?
What?
Little New Year every day then?
Well,
Bên nữa sao? Hey, got to she tired already?
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh man. Last day, how do you feel?
I feel awesome.
Oh yeah? You want to? You feel like it need to be longer, or you okay?
It could be longer. I want.
It could be.